What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Short ride and review today. Checking out a new place that just opened up over by Dime Square, right next to 169 Bar. It's called Casino. Italian spot. Should be pretty good. They just opened up recently. I've been eyeballing the menu for a bit and definitely excited to try it. Gonna meet the cake dealer there. Ideally I would have liked to go to this place with like a group of 4, because there's enough stuff on the menu that looks good to me that I want to try, that, you know, if we had 4 people, we could easily just order everything and take it all down. So this would be sort of like a trial run. They have a steak on the menu, a 32-ounce steak, a T-bone. I don't think we'll try that tonight. But if everything else is quality, I'll probably go back for it. So we'll see. It's a beautiful day. Sunday. Gorgeous weekend we had this weekend. This is my turn here. This will be a real short ride review. I guess when I'm heading home, I'll have to loop the block a little bit. You know, talk about some of the dishes that we tried. Because this is really like less than 2 minutes away. It's just right here on the right after I make this turn. All right. See you on the inside.
What's that?
What's your favorite cocktail?
Casino. Good meal. So we started off at the bar with some cocktails. Actually, we stayed the whole meal at the bar. We ate at the bar. It was just easier that way. Great cocktails. Light, summery drinks. Really liked them. We started off with 3 appetizers. We did the prawns, which were excellent. Highly recommend those. The endive or endive salad, I don't know how you're supposed to pronounce it. Usually not raving about salads, but that one was excellent. It was kind of like, I guess kind of like a Caesar, like an endive Caesar. Very good. And then the third app that we had was fried artichoke, and I'm a sucker for fried artichoke. Whenever I see it on a menu, I have to get it, because I love artichokes. I grew up in an Italian-American household. We ate a lot of artichokes growing up. Never really had them fried as kids. They were always steamed, stuffed, baked. But when my wife and I went to Italy, we must have had like 15 fried artichokes throughout our trip. And ever since then, I've been hooked. So if I see it on a menu here, I get it. So that was excellent. Then we did a pasta course that had smoked lamb, pappardelle. It was really good. The noodles, the pasta noodles were almost like hand-pulled rice noodles, like when you get them at, you know, those hand-pulled noodle places. Very good. They were a little bit overcooked, but they were, you know, because they were like busted and clumpy or whatever, but that pasta dish was awesome. I can eat that by the bucket, no problem. So that's highly recommended. Then for our main course, with the pasta was like an in-between course. For the main course, we tried this thing called a crespelle. It was kind of like a lasagna. It had vegetables. It was a vegetarian dish, actually. Crispy onions, bechamel, and layers of some sort of dough. That was great. I actually really liked that. And then we also had the dry aged duck breast. That was a little bit tough. The flesh was tough. The skin wasn't fully crispy. And I don't know. It just didn't really come together as I had hoped. So I would pass on the duck if I were going there again. I will probably go there again. There's enough stuff I want to try, and they did a good job with the things that I did like. So I'll be back to try it again. Absolutely. I'll go try that steak, 32-ounce T-bone. They have some Nduja spicy Calabrian chili spread bread service thing that looked good. There's a roast chicken that looked good. So we'll see. And obviously all the apps that we tried were excellent. Oh yeah, forgot about the dessert. So we finished off with what they call the midnight cake. And chocolate cake, definitely more of a mousse and not a cake. I don't think there was flour in that cake. Served with a little canal blob of creme fraiche on the side. That was great. I love a good chocolate mousse, and that was real tasty. A little flake sea salt on the top really makes it pop. So yeah, that was good. I'll have to insert this in before the sign off. So make sure you jump out to the website johnnyprimesteaks.com for the full review. All the details, all the photos. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends, share my page with your friends. Tell your friends about it, tell your family, and tell your fucking grandma.